I bought and tested these e-bike batteries so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. If you're looking for a reliable power source that can enhance your riding experience, you've come to the right place. I've done the legwork and put these batteries to the test, so let's dive into the top 5 best e-bike batteries available today. Product number 1: Shuntongda 48V 10.4Ah ebike battery. When I first unboxed the Shuntongda 48V 10.4Ah battery, I was immediately struck by its sleek design and compact size. Measuring just 16.9 x 3.93 x 1.69 inches, it fit neatly into my folding bike frame, making it an ideal choice for city commuting. One of the standout features was its high-capacity lithium-ion cells, which provided a solid 500 Wh of power. I was eager to test its limits on my daily rides. The battery is designed for motors up to 800 W, and I paired it with my 750 W motor to see how it performed. The power delivery was impressive, allowing for smooth acceleration even on uphill climbs. I noticed that I could cover a good distance before needing a recharge, thanks to the battery's 1,000+ recharge cycles and low self-discharge rate of just 1%. After a week of commuting, I felt confident that this battery could easily last me for years with proper care. However, the experience wasn't without its drawbacks. I did struggle a bit with the safety lock mechanism. It took me a few tries to get the hang of it. Additionally, while it's marketed as compatible with various bike models, it's essential to check dimensions and specifications carefully to avoid installation issues. Overall, the Shuntongda battery offers excellent performance and longevity for anyone looking to upgrade their e-bike's power source. Why buy it? If you want a reliable, high-capacity battery that's built to last, this is an excellent choice. Product number 2: KUSAYLA 48V 10Ah ebike battery. Next on my list is the KUSAYLA 48V 10Ah battery. From the moment I picked it up, I could tell this battery was designed with performance in mind. Its high energy density means it stores more power in a compact design, which is a game changer for e-bike riders who want to maximize their range without adding unnecessary weight. I was particularly impressed with the high discharge currents it offers, 30A for regular use and a staggering 75A for instantaneous peaks. This feature really came into play as I tackled steep hills during my rides. It provided the acceleration I needed without any lag. The built-in USB interface and LED power indicator were also convenient, allowing me to charge my devices on the go and monitor battery status easily. Another fantastic aspect was its long cycle life. I could recharge it over 1,000 times, ensuring I wouldn't be replacing it frequently. However, there were a couple of things that could be improved. First, the weight is slightly heavier compared to other models, which might be a concern for those who prioritize lightweight setups. Additionally, the safety lock felt a bit flimsy during the installation process, making me a little apprehensive about its durability over time. Still, it performs excellently and offers peace of mind with a 1-year return policy. Why buy it? If you're looking for a battery that offers robust performance and features that enhance your riding experience, the KUSAYLA 48V 10Ah is a solid choice. Product number 3: Shuntongda Replacement Folding 48V 10.4Ah battery. The Shuntongda Replacement Folding 48V 10.4Ah battery is another excellent option, especially for owners of the electric XP step-through models. As I set it up, I appreciated how easy the installation was. Thanks to its compatibility with the original design, I didn't have to worry about any complicated wiring. What really impressed me was its performance. It offers a maximum motor power of 1,000 W, which is more than sufficient for my needs. I took it out for a weekend adventure and the range was phenomenal. Depending on my riding style and the terrain, I found I could get anywhere from 30 to 50 miles on a single charge. The 30A BMS protection also gave me peace of mind, knowing that I was protected against overcharging, short-circuiting, and temperature issues. On the downside, the battery's weight is a bit on the heavier side, which could impact handling for some riders. Additionally, while it offers a great capacity, the actual range may vary significantly depending on assist modes and rider weight. Why buy it? If you own electric XP and want a reliable high-performance battery that fits perfectly and performs even better, this is definitely worth considering. Product number 4, Shuntongda 48V14A ebike battery. Next, let's talk about the Shuntongda 48V14A battery designed specifically for rad power bikes. First off, the installation was a breeze. The battery comes with a pre-installed base, which meant I could unlock, slide it in, and start riding without fussing over complex wiring. I took it on both flat city roads and steep trails, and it didn't disappoint. The performance was consistent, and I could feel the extra power during climbs. The 30A BMS protection was another highlight, ensuring that I could ride confidently in different weather conditions thanks to its waterproof casing. However, I did encounter a few hiccups. The battery is slightly bulkier than its competitors, which could be a drawback for some riders looking for a more streamlined look. Additionally, while it supports motors up to 1200 W, it can take a bit longer to charge compared to other models, clocking in at around 7 hours. Why buy it? If you're a rad power bike owner looking for a high-capacity, reliable battery that enhances your ride, this is an investment you won't regret. In conclusion, choosing the right e-bike battery can significantly impact your riding experience. Whether you need a lightweight option, enhanced performance, or extended range, there's a battery on this list for you. I recommend taking the time to analyze your specific needs to ensure you make the best purchase. Happy riding!